Moment of truth. Hello friends and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take that sad excuse for a light fixture, put it out of its misery, and replace it with something a little bit more modern and, dare I say, sexy? I'm about to wrap up a bathroom refresh here in my basement, and the last thing on my list is to replace this old light fixture. As you can see, it's taken quite a beating. It doesn't match the new theme that we're going for, and I may have broken it and blamed it on the kids, but don't tell anybody. I'm going to show you what it takes to replace a simple light fixture like this. And believe it or not, it's extremely simple. Something that really everyone should be able to do if they want to. I know that working with electricity can sound a little intimidating, but trust me, it's really, really simple. Now let's take a look at the new fixture that I'm going to be installing.
And now, another exciting edition of What's in the Box?
What's in the box? All right, let's see what typically comes in a box containing a new light fixture. So one, obviously, is the new light fixture. Pretty sexy, huh? And on that fixture will be all the wires that you'll need to connect. You'll have your hot wire, your neutral wire, and your ground. All you have to do is connect that to the wires running out of your electrical box. Next, obviously, is a bracket. You'll need some bracket to attach to the electrical box that will then affix to the light fixture. Tech specs, some wiring nuts, and some mounting screws. And that's all there is to it. Before we do anything, we need to turn off the power to the light we're going to replace. Ah! To get rid of the old fixture, we first need to remove anything securing it to the wall. Typically there's going to be some sort of a set screw, some sort of a clip or fastener that has it attached to a bracket that is connected to the electrical box. Once we've got that done, we can pull it back. That'll expose the wires, and then we just need to disconnect the wires and we'll be good to go. So this particular fixture has two set screws, one on the bottom and one on the top. So I'm just going to take a standard Phillips head screwdriver and take those out. Now that the wires are exposed, you can see we've got the hot wire here with the red and black, the neutral wires there, the white, and then a connection for the ground. The way that we're going to get these off is to just unscrew these caps connecting the wires together, and then unscrew the ground wire from that, and then the whole fixture will come right off. I could do this all day. The last step is to remove this bracket. We just have to take out the screws they use to put this in place.
A few moments later.
Well, what's a good DIY project without hitting a few snags along the way? I just hit a little bit of a speed bump, that being the existing electrical box is not the right size or shape to accommodate the mounting bracket for the light fixture that I'm looking to install. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to replace that. So if you want to see how I handle that problem, I'll put a link to that video in the description below. Next, I want to show just a simple demonstration of what we'll be doing when we connect the wires from the new fixture to the wires coming out of the wall. So imagine these are your wires from the wall holding all the main power, and these are going to be the wires from the fixture. You're going to want to match the colors. The hot wire will typically be black or red, and the neutral wire will typically be white. So you want to match the hot with the hot and the neutral with the neutral. There's no need to pre-twist these prior to putting on the wire cap. So what you're going to do, you're going to take these, you're going to line them up, put the wire cap on, and just begin twisting. And that will start to form your connection. And you just continue to twist until the two main wires start to twist over each other like that. Again, very, very simple, and we'll demonstrate with the neutral wire now. Line up the wires, put on the cap, and twist. Couldn't be any easier. If you're asking yourself, can you do this? The answer is 100%.
Yes, we can.
All right, we're going to move on with the installation. First step is to take that bracket, the mounting bracket, make sure that the wires are sticking through the middle of the bracket like this. And then we're just going to get these mounting screws inserted. All right, we are nice and secure. This isn't going anywhere. And then do one last check for level. And I think we're good. We are finally ready to install our fixture. So we've got three things we need to connect here: the neutral and the hot wires. There's also this ground connections. All right, we got everything attached. I did want to show one thing. It does look like that electrical box was just a tad too large for the particular housing on this fixture. Not a huge deal. I was going to go ahead and apply some touch-up paint around here anyway, so I don't think you'll be able to notice it. With the new light fixture in place, it's time to power things back up and see if we did everything correctly. Moment of truth. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily replace a light fixture and immediately transform the look and feel of a room. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, let me know by leaving a comment or hitting the like button below. And for the opportunity to see my future videos, I encourage you to click subscribe as well. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, you can do it. Why not do it yourself?